How to know if someone blocked you on Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. But before we head to the video, please subscribe to the channel as the channel is really small and you subscribing to the channel would genuinely help us and encourage us to make more videos. So now let's head to the video. First you open the Pinterest app and for example an account has blocked you. I am taking this account as an example, but you have to search. For example, I'll search it with you all. So I'll search and I click on the search icon. You search the account you want to confirm that they have blocked you or no, and on the top right you will find a filter option. You click on profile and you click on confirm, and then for example I click on this account, and once you open their profile page, and you click on follow, here it shows following their created pins will show up in your home feed, right? If when you click on follow and it doesn't let you follow, it is automatically assumed that the front person has blocked you, and that's why you're not able to follow the person. If you're able to follow, that means they have not blocked you, and if you can't follow, it will show up here you can't follow this person. That means the front person has blocked you. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.